This is a very proud day for the company, and the first pieces of steel cut today are recognition of the hard work put into our vessel project by the project team and Piriou and all of the Steamship Group employees over the past 4 years. Thank you.
So today I've arrived in Ho Chi Minh City, come down to the shipyard where I've met Peter and Chris, our project managers, met the Piriou team as well. We've been here today, we've been to the steel cutting ceremony, which was absolutely amazing, completely beyond my expectations. Amazing speeches by Piriou, which really captivated the essence of this project and what these new vessels will bring to the community of the Isles of Scilly and the hundreds of thousands of visitors which visit each year. There was a Vietnamese element of the ceremony as well, blessings, and then we moved to the actual steel cutting, and that was a very proud moment for the company. Standing there alongside that first piece of steel and pushing that button really signifies the start of this project. And we'll be back again in 2026, standing here in the shipyard in Ho Chi Minh to witness these new vessels being launched, and that will be a very, very important milestone, and really can't wait to see these vessels in 24 months' time.